Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to export data from Zoho CRM so you can download your contacts, leads, or deals and use them in Excel or other tools whenever you need. First, log in to your Zoho CRM account. From the dashboard, open the module that contains the data you want to export, such as leads, contacts, or deals. Next, go to the list view of that module. Make sure you're seeing the records you want to export and apply filters if needed. Now click the More Options menu, usually shown as 3 dots or an export icon, and select Export from the dropdown. Choose your export format, such as CSV or Excel, and select whether you want to export all records or only the filtered results. Once you confirm, Zoho CRM will prepare your file. So when it's ready, download it to your computer and open it in Excel or any spreadsheet tool. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully exported data from Zoho CRM. Now you can analyze your data, create backups, or share it with your team easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.